Have you ever wondered how one small habit can have a ripple effect and transform your entire life? Hello, habit enthusiasts! Welcome to episode number 4 of the Atomic Habits series. Today we're going to discuss Keystone habits, those powerful actions that have a disproportionate impact on other areas of our lives. Join us as we unlock the secrets behind these game-changing habits. Keystone habits are the habits that act as catalysts for positive change in multiple areas of our lives. These habits have the ability to create a ripple effect, influencing and improving other related behaviors and aspects. For example, exercise is often considered a keystone habit. When we establish a regular exercise routine, it not only contributes to physical health, but also positively affects our mental well-being, energy levels, and overall productivity. Additionally, it often leads to healthier eating habits, improved sleep, and increased self-confidence. Keystone habits have the power to transform our lives because they initiate a positive chain reaction. By focusing on one keystone habit, we can indirectly influence and improve many other areas. They serve as the foundation upon which other habits are built, making positive change more sustainable and long-lasting. To identify potential keystone habits in our own lives, it's essential to examine the areas we wish to improve and identify the habits that could have the most significant impact. This could involve self-reflection, goal setting, and experimenting with different habits to see how they affect our overall well-being. Once we've identified a keystone habit, it's crucial to prioritize it and integrate it into our daily routines. Consistency is key when it comes to keystone habits, as their power lies in their long-term impact. By making these habits a non-negotiable part of our lives, we can unleash their transformative potential. So, as you reflect on your own habits and aspirations, consider the possibility of incorporating keystone habits into your routine. The small, intentional actions can have profound effects on various aspects of your life. In our next episode, we'll explore habit stacking, another strategy that can amplify the power of atomic habits. Stay tuned, and let's continue this journey of personal growth and habit transformation.